What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and today's video gonna learn how to remove Instagram instance from Instagram, okay? Into a simple, fast and effective method. So how to turn it off completely. First of all, let me show you. If you go to your Instagram direct message, you're gonna reveal into the bottom right corner a new circle icon that if you click, you can see your friends' instance photos. It's almost like stories, but without the viewer counts, for example. And it's a very easy to post it by mistake because all I have to do is open it and click on the camera and it's already posted. There is no button to post. So first of all, how to delete it in the case that you have posted it by mistake. Open your camera just like this and go to the upper right corner of your screen. There is this 4 little dots and here are the today's instance. I'm gonna click on it, review the upper right corner, these 3 little dots, and go to delete. The same with the second one. You can download or delete. And if you turn back, review the bottom side, the bottom center side, you can go make this go to your friends or to your close friends, okay? But I want to turn it off. I don't want to have this feature in my Instagram. How to do it? First, review your profile. So click on your profile, review the upper right corner of your screen into these 3 little dots and scroll it down. Until you find what you see, content preferences, okay? Click on content preferences, scroll down and hide instant in inbox. As soon as you do this, no more circle to post instance. You will no longer see your friend's instance. So it's gonna be hidden. Instagram does not require that you see it, okay? Simple, right? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes.